Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by picking a true live photo, not a still. Open Photos, tap the desired image, and verify the live badge appears. Once done, edit the live photo if needed. Trim or choose keyframe so the motion loops cleanly. Make sure your iPhone 11 is updated to a recent iOS so the wallpaper option appears. Now proceed. Tap the Share button and select Use as Wallpaper to move into the Setup screen. You'll be on the Wallpaper preview now. Choose Live Photo mode at the top so the motion is preserved. Next, pinch to zoom or drag to frame the subject. Make sure perspective zoom is off if you want static framing. Once framed, tap Set and choose Set Lock Screen. Live photos animate only on the lock screen. You should now see the wallpaper listed in Wallpaper Settings. Lock the phone and get ready to animate it with a press. To view the live photo wallpaper, lock the iPhone and then press and hold the lock screen with one finger. On iPhone 11, that haptic touch press triggers the animation. If the photo doesn't animate, make sure the image is still a live photo in Photos, and that Reduce Motion, Settings Accessibility Motion, is turned off. If problems continue, restart the phone and reapply the live photo wallpaper. That clears temporary glitches and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.